theories. So now, since you are few, I will group you into two groups. So each group is, they have two members. So Princess and Catherine is, you are the, you report, you'll be report the Tolman theories. And then Jan and Christine, you will be the report about Bandura's theories. So now I will give you 5 minutes to discuss to your group. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. So now, the group 1 is ready to discuss your topic.
In Group 1, the Tolman's purposive behaviorism theories. So these are the discussions of my co-members. So first is goal directedness. It is a Tolman asserted that learning is always purposive and goal directed. The second one is cognitive maps. It is his most famous experiment. One group of rats was placed at random starting location in a maze, but the food was always in the same location. The third one is latent learning. It is a kind of learning that remains or stays with the individual until needed. And the fourth one is interpreting variables. It is the concept of or a variables that are not readily seen but seen as determinants of behaviorism. So that is the Tolman's purposive behaviorism, the goal directedness, the cognitive maps, latent learning, and the fourth one is intervening variables.
Okay, thank you so much. So now, let's proceed to the group 2. Okay, are you ready, group 2?
Yes.
In behalf of Group 2, I will be the one who record the activity here. For Bandura's theory, there are 4 divisional process. First is attention, reproduction, and motivation. Attention is, according to Bandura, it is the organism is ready to learn anything from the model. So the people are already ready to learn the model. Then retention. Number 2, retention. Retention for Bandura is we learn and internalizing information in our memories. We recall the information later when acquired to respond to the situation that is similar to situation within which the first learned and the information. Three, reproduction. We reproduce previously learned information. So, for example, behavior, skills, knowledge when required. Then, motivation. And last, the motivation. It is self-efficacy theory that belief become a primary, explicit explanation and for motivation.
Okay, thank you so much to each group. So you okay, thank you so much for your cooperation. So now I will discuss about bandoras. Cognitive process and promotes learning to pupils and teaching new concepts. Learners may have their internet to fill in the knowledge they want. So that's all for our topic, and thank you so much for your cooperation and